I'm Adam Ratcliffe and I run Twisted Web Solutions, a web development and consulting company on Fiverr, and I've just reached the Millionaire milestone. I originally formed my business when I was 13. Back then, I didn't set up a business looking to get clients. I actually turned a hobby of mine into a business accidentally. I didn't know anything about coding, but I was really interested in finding out how it all worked. I started by getting my hands on a free code base, and I would literally spend hours and hours dissecting every single line and what each line meant. And then before I knew it, friends started asking me to do tweaks for them, and that became friends of friends. And before I knew it, it was complete strangers asking for me to perform services for them. Fiverr actually came at a really interesting time for me because my business actually failed. Everything I created was shared and reshared multiple times, and my income stream completely stopped. And I'd run out of probably the biggest commodity I think anyone could have in business, which is time. Fiverr was pitched as a micro-lancing website. You would perform small tasks for a small amount of money, but instead of offering small tasks, I decided to offer big tasks. 2 years into my time on Fiverr, I was highlighted as the first ever superseller. It was a real make or break moment because I received a high influx of orders, but I was really keen on my reputation moving forward and using that opportunity to maximize growth. Fiverr really has given me all the tools that I need to create something that works specific for me, and that's also allowed me to then go and achieve other goals as well. When I was younger, I experienced periods of homelessness, and I wanted to make sure that anyone in a similar situation would have the support they needed. So I volunteer at my local food bank, and I'm also a trustee of that food bank. I run a health and fitness soccer league based around men improving their mental health and losing weight in a enjoyable and safe space to do so. When I was younger, the measure of success was when can I retire and never have to work again. But I've learned in probably the last 5 years that actually the real measure of success is how do I get to use my time, and doing things like being able to go to every school recital, pick my kids up from school, plan my day exactly how I want to. That is success. Trust yourself and trust your instinct. If you put in the extra work and you know that your idea is good, you'll surely make it a success. I'm Adam Ratcliffe, and this is the Fiverr Millionaire Milestone.